Hey guys, do you want to learn how to add polls to your Instagram Reels? So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. I'll take you through the steps of creating a poll sticker, customizing it with your own questions and answers, and then adding it to your Reels. With just a few simple steps, you can get instant feedback from your followers. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to start using polls on Instagram Reels. So without any further delay, let's get started. To get started, first of all, open up your Instagram mobile application, and you have to make sure that your account has been logged in. Then you simply have to swipe to left to open up your camera. After that, simply tap on the reel option from the bottom options, and now go ahead and customize your reel. So for the sake of the video, I am simply creating this reel and I'll click on next.
Have created your
Reel, tap on the next option.
So for the sake of the video, I am
all you have
simply
to do is
creating.
that you simply have to
So
tap
for
on
the
the
sake of
sticker
the video, I
icon
am
at the
simply
top of the
creating.
screen.
So for the sake
And
of the
then
video,
simply
I am
select
simply
the
so for the
and
sake of
then
the video, I am
type in
simply
your
creating.
question and
So
the
for the
answer.
sake of the video, I am simply
Once you have
creating.
typed in your
So
question
for the
and
sake of the
answer, you
video, I
simply
am
have to
simply
tap on
creating.
done at the top
So
right
for the
corner
sake
of the
of the
screen.
video, I am
As
simply
you guys can see
creating.
that the poll has
So
been
for the sake
successfully
of the
added to
video,
the
I am
reel.
simply
You can
creating.
move this poll all around and fix it anywhere
So
you
for the sake
want.
of the video,
After
I am simply
you have
creating.
simply
So
tap
for the
on
sake
next
of the
and
video,
post
I
it
am
on your
simply
Instagram.
creating.
Okay, so guys, this brings me the end
So
of the
for the
video.
sake of
Hope
the
you guys
video, I
like the
am
video.
simply
If you guys like
creating.
the video, give it a
So
thumbs
for
up.
the sake of the
Don't forget
video,
to
I am
subscribe the
simply
channel, hit
creating.
the bell icon. Thank
So
you
for
for
the sake of
watching.
the